Now, let me guide you around in the MetaMask plugin. First of all, you see on the top left corner the network that you can select. So once you've released your application to the main network, obviously you want to use the main network also to interact with other smart contracts that are released there. But for our course, we will use the Rinkybi test network, and I will show you how you can get some test ether on the Rinkybi test network just to play around and to get used to how the network reacts in with mining and the delay and concurrency issues that happen when you are working with a blockchain. Now let me log into MetaMask. I have my own password. And once you are logged in, you should have one account. I already have a couple more of them, but essentially you see an account overview here, and you see if the account had transactions, and if the account owns tokens, then you can see this here. Now, if you are owning Ether on an account, you can send them around to another address, and optionally you can also add data to the transaction. And we are going to talk about this a little bit later. For now, let's just say that you can send Ether to an address. Now, in this account overview, you can also copy the address to the clipboard, which is a very useful feature. And you can export the private key of your account to import it into other software. So as long as you own the private key, you are in possession of your account, to keep that in mind. If you want to switch accounts, you can do this on the top right corner here. I already have a couple of accounts, and you can create new accounts. Then it will basically just create a new account, and it will pop up here as the next account. Or you can import accounts if you have different other accounts where you have the private key, or if you created accounts with Geth or with another tool that creates these JSON key files, then you can also import JSON files.